Here we go, 08-09 McDonald's Ice Heroes Hockey. Got 24 packs here to bust. We're going to get right at it. As everybody knows, there's a lot of base cards in this product. Kopitar, Kiprusoff, Carey Price. Had a little bit of luck with this product. Had a little bit of luck. So far through 3 packs, we got nothing. Hoping for one of the Clear Path to Greatness cards. And as you can see there, we got something in here. Vincent LeCavalier Superstar Spotlights. Been busting a lot of NASCAR racing products. Matt Sundin Profiles card out of that pack there, as well as a checklist of Toscala. Been busting a lot of racing products, getting away from the upper deck. And I've been having some luck with that stuff. A little more luck than I have with the hockey. The Toscala checklist. Jordan Stahl, Osgood, Kovalev. Haven't hit anything huge out of these packs. Odds are astronomical, to say the least. I've known some people that have hit some nice stuff out of this product. But it's always a fun bust every year. Taze, Korea. Checklist card in here. We have a Scott Niedermayer. It's backwards, but it's Scott Niedermayer Speed Skaters. I was lucky to pull 2 Clear Paths so far out of this product, out of maybe 100 or so packs. And those have already been moved already. Pulled the Thornton and the Zetterberg. Toscala checklist for the 3rd time. It's good some people are Toronto Maple Leafs fans. I am not one of them. Let's see who else we got in this one here. Base in that one there. Caberlet, Taze, Lidstrom. Oh. Who do we got in this one here? Vesa Toscala. Superstar Spotlights or Superstar Spotlights. Toscala base card. All about Toscala. Sakic, Alfredson, Stahl. Uh-oh. Are you ready for this? Malkin Clear Pass. Nice card. Nice card. That'll make the break there. We'll add a Jonathan Taze Superstar Spotlight to that as well. 2 packs left, not expecting much. Roberto Luongo, Vancouver Canucks Profiles card. And this pack here is going to be all base. Came there in the back of it too. So I'd say the highlights of this break here would be the Malkin Clear Pass. There you go. And the Jonathan Taze Superstar Spotlights. Also, if you never caught it on the last video that I did, a little bit of a mail break if you're a hockey fan. I picked up this card here out of 2 packs of Heroes and Prospects earlier in the week. That is Matt Duchene. He is predicted to be one of the top 5 prospects to go in the NHL draft in 2009. And it is the silver version of the emblem, numbered 3. Check that, 3 of 9. And a beautiful, beautiful patch from the Battalion jersey, the T and the A. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Thanks for watching.